Hello everyone, welcome to this short and exciting video from Dynamic PMO, where we will take a moment to highlight some training topics that will help boost your project execution. The topics we will be focusing on will be around project management, risk management, and process improvement. These are just some of the cornerstones of any organization's project success. By integrating these disciplines, businesses can enhance productivity, foster innovation, and achieve strategic goals while adapting to an ever-changing environment. Together, we will learn how these strategies can help enable teams to deliver projects efficiently, anticipate and mitigate potential challenges, and refine processes for continuous improvement. So if you are ready, let's get started.
In today's fast-paced business world, effective project management is more critical than ever. It serves as the backbone of successful business operations, ensuring that projects are completed efficiently and effectively. Projects are becoming increasingly complex, involving multiple stakeholders, tight deadlines, and limited resources. They demand a structured approach to ensure successful completion, requiring meticulous planning and execution. Project management provides the framework and tools to navigate this complexity, offering a roadmap to guide teams through each phase of the project lifecycle. It enables teams to deliver projects on time, within budget, and to the required standards, ensuring that all project objectives are met. A well-defined project management methodology brings numerous benefits, including improved efficiency and better resource allocation. It fosters clear communication among stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. It provides a structured way to manage risks, helping teams to identify potential issues early and develop strategies to mitigate them. Effective project management empowers teams to adapt to changing circumstances, allowing for flexibility and responsiveness in dynamic environments. Ultimately, it increases the likelihood of project success, leading to satisfied clients and stakeholders. This contributes to the overall strategic goals of an organization, aligning project outcomes with business objectives. However, simply implementing project management methodologies is not enough. Teams must be committed to continuous improvement and learning. Individuals and teams need to understand the underlying principles and best practices of project management. They must be equipped with the skills to apply these principles effectively in real-world scenarios, ensuring that they can handle any challenges that arise. That's where rigorous project management training comes in, providing the necessary education and hands-on experience. It equips individuals with the knowledge and capabilities to excel in this demanding field, ultimately leading to more successful projects and a stronger organization. Risk management is a cornerstone of successful project management. It is an essential practice that ensures projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the desired quality standards. It involves identifying potential problems early on, which allows the team to address them before they escalate. It requires proactive planning to mitigate their impact. This means not only recognizing the risks, but also having a plan in place to deal with them effectively. By anticipating and addressing risks, project managers can avoid costly delays and disruptions. This foresight is crucial in maintaining the project's momentum. They can prevent project derailment and ensure smoother project execution, leading to successful outcomes and satisfied stakeholders. The process of risk management typically begins with risk identification. This is a critical step where potential issues are brought to light. This involves brainstorming potential issues that could arise during the project lifecycle. The team collaborates to ensure no stone is left unturned. These risks can range from technical challenges and resource constraints to external factors such as market fluctuations or regulatory changes. Each type of risk requires a different approach. Each identified risk is then assessed based on its likelihood of occurrence and potential impact on the project. This assessment helps prioritize which risks need immediate attention. Once risks are identified and assessed, the next step is to develop mitigation strategies. These strategies are essential for minimizing the negative effects of risks. These strategies outline specific actions that will be taken to reduce the likelihood or impact of each risk. Clear action plans ensure everyone knows their role in risk management. For example, if a potential risk is a delay in the delivery of critical materials, a mitigation strategy might involve securing a backup supplier or building in buffer time for procurement. This proactive approach can save the project from significant setbacks. By proactively addressing risks, project managers can significantly increase the probability of project success. This not only ensures the project meets its goals, but also builds trust and confidence among stakeholders. Process improvement is another vital aspect of effective project management. It involves a systematic approach to enhancing the way projects are executed. It focuses on analyzing existing processes to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies that may be hindering progress. The goal is to streamline workflows and improve overall project outcomes by making them more efficient and effective. By continually seeking ways to optimize processes, project teams can enhance productivity, reduce costs, and deliver higher quality results. This ongoing effort is crucial for maintaining competitive advantage. Various process improvement methodologies can be applied in a project management context, each offering unique tools and techniques. One widely used approach is the Lean methodology, which emphasizes waste reduction and value creation. Lean tools help teams focus on delivering maximum value to the customer. This involves identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities within a process, such as unnecessary steps, redundancies, or delays, thereby making the workflow more efficient. Another popular methodology is Six Sigma, which focuses on reducing defects and variations in processes. Six Sigma tools are designed to improve quality and consistency. Regardless of the specific methodology used, the key principle of process improvement is to foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement within the project team. This culture encourages innovation and adaptability. This involves encouraging team members to identify areas for enhancement, implement changes, and track the results of those changes. Feedback loops are essential for this process. By embracing process improvement as an ongoing practice, project teams can continually refine their approach and achieve higher levels of efficiency and effectiveness. This leads to sustained success and growth. At Dynamic PMO, we can help facilitate all these training elements and more to enhance your productivity and bring value to your business.